there are 4 types of trades you can have. Basically, it's a big win, a small win, small loss, big loss. So big win, small loss, big loss. Your job, your first job is to completely eliminate these. Then learn how to balance out so you can have a few of these and at the end of the year have happy days. But eliminate these. And these happen for 2 reasons primarily. Either your size, to put it back in context of the pyramid, risk management. Either your size was too big or your stop too far away. Now, there is a third way, the death by 1,000 cuts, because you keep your stop too close, so you keep losing all the time with very small amounts. But most of the times, this is what happens. I'm just giving it for the fullness of the answer. Another question? So again, the answer would be decrease your position size, and it won't affect you so much.